Yeah, g'day legends, my name's David Seymour.
Hi everyone, my name's Chris Bishop.
The Honourable Paula Bennett, who is about to test her maths knowledge.
This afternoon I'm going to be trying out some NCEA Level 1 mathematics exams. A little bit nervous, I've got to say, it's been a while since I did maths.
How do you rate your maths ability?
Pretty average.
And I'm just being taken back to a bit of Level 1 maths with stats.
Maths and stats. What does CAT mean?
Common assessment task?
Oh, common assessment, oh okay, I should know that.
So let's get into it.
Okay, the distance dcm travelled by an object is given by d equals ut plus 3t squared.
If u equals 3 and t equals 5, calculate the distance that the object has travelled.
So if I channeled Winston Peters right now, I'd say, so why are you asking this question? The media are just out to get me. I feel like I'm being unfairly treated, and the distance that I travel is actually no one else's business but my own.
Oh yeah, so this is just algebra, so if u is 3, so 3...
well, 3 fives is 15, 5 squared is 25, so that's going to be 90 metres.
If I was the Labour Party, I would say I'm travelling a distance and that object is actually travelled, and I just want to really need to consult and actually talk to a whole lot of people. Can I get a working group organised so that we can then decide the distance that the object has travelled?
Which is 75, so d equals 90.
So ultimately I've done exactly what you would expect a politician to do and haven't answered the question. Thank you.
Any word of advice for NCEA students going through exams?
Yeah, so I don't know, I reckon kids don't really have much to complain about these days, to be honest.
You just got to put the work in, to be honest. When you think about it, it's only a few weeks of your life. Just put the work in and the rewards will come.
Just kidding. When it all seems too hard, all you got to do is hang tough, and as long as you're doing your absolute best effort, if you can really look at yourself and say you gave it 100%, then that should be good enough for you for the rest of your life.
Yeah, like I might have made a bit of fun of that, but the truth is these are stressful times. Eat well, make sure you drink lots of water and things that are good for you. Don't get into those bloomin' sugary bloody drinks, I don't like them that much.
But look, if you let it get you down, you don't give it 100%, then I'm sorry, you'll only have yourself to blame. So focus not on where you are, but where you're going. Stay positive, never give up.
As much sleep as you can. I know that they'll be taking it seriously. It is a stressful time, but just go for it because it does matter.